Hi everybody. In this video you are going to know the reason to why only centuries divisible by 400 are leap years. For this we need to know what is a solar year. The time taken by Earth to complete a full round around the Sun in its elliptical path is called a solar year, which causes us the seasons, 4 seasons. So the solar year is more precisely 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 45.25 seconds. That is the time taken from one vernal equinox to the next vernal equinox. What is a vernal equinox? Vernal equinox, 2 moments in the year when the sun is exactly above the equator and day and night are of equal length. Also, either of the 2 points in the sky where the elliptic pathway and the celestial equator of the earth intersect. So from one vernal equinox to another vernal equinox. So that is the time. We can say one autumnal equinox to next autumnal equinox duration also. Likewise, one summer solstice to another summer solstice, or one winter solstice to another winter solstice. That duration is the same. Next, it takes the earth about 365.2422 days. Is 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 45.25 seconds. So that when converted to decimal with respect to 4 decimal places, we get the answer 365.2422. But a normal calendar year is only 365 days. The extra fraction of the day adds up because we are leaving this fraction. For circling the sun 4 times, Earth takes 365.2422 into 4 is equal to 1460.9688 days. But 4 calendar years would only be 1460 days. The fraction left out here is 0.9688. This is almost a whole day. So every 4 years we add an extra day to our calendar. This system is called the Julian calendar system. So that one day is included in February. For this reason, February 29 is included at every 4th year. This was brought into effect by Julius Caesar, the Roman emperor, in 45 BC with the help of the Greek mathematicians and the astronomers. For hundreds of years, people used this Julian calendar that followed the rule of adopting February 29 of every 4th year. However, because 0.9688 is not exactly a whole day, the Julian calendar slowly began to disagree with the real seasons. That is, we are adding one day at every 4th year instead of 0.9688. That is the difference of 0.0312 in every 4 year. So in 25 4 years, that is in a century, 0.0312 into 100 by 4, we get 0.78 day in 100 years, approximately 1 day. So in 1 century, Julian calendar go almost 1 day behind the real time. This is also not accurate calculation. This regression had amounted to 14 days in 1582, Pope Gregory's time. In 1582, vernal equinox occurred on 11th March. In 325 AD, the vernal equinox occurred on 21st March. The significance of 325 AD was the first meeting of bishops was conducted on this year. So Pope Gregory XIII wanted to advance the calendar by 10 days in 1582. The change was effected by advancing the calendar by 10 days. In 1582, after October 4, the day following being reckoned as October 15. That is October 5 to 14, 10 days advancement was done. Like this, Pope Gregory XIII fixed the problem by ordering everyone to use a new set of rules. These rules are named as Gregorian Calendar after him. That is only used by us now. The rules are every 4th year is a leap year, every 100th year is not a leap year, because in every 100 years we are approximately 1 day behind the real time. So every 100th year is not given the February 29. Every 400 years there is a leap year after all. Because in every 400 years we are left with a fraction almost 1 day. So that day is included as a leap year day at every 400th year. This Gregorian calendar is only used all over the world. So this is the reason. Thank you.